Welcome to this webinar on Burnafon's OasisNXT fitting software. Today we will introduce a new feature which is available in OasisNXT 2019.2 and later versions. We would like to show you how you can automatically and manually fit your client's hearing instruments to the prescribed target by performing a REMFit in OasisNXT with speech mapping. Verification with speech mapping is much more meaningful to both the client and the clinician compared to that of a simple verification of a target match with an unmodulated signal. Speech mapping also helps visually to explain to the client what he can hear and in turn show him the parts of speech which may still not be audible even with hearing aids. REMFit uses the Intermodule Communication 2 protocol to communicate with your REM system. For more information about IMC2 compliant measurement and fitting modules, please visit the HIMSA website at www.himsa.com. For this demonstration, we have connected two Zarina 9 mini-right hearing aids. In Tools, Preferences, REMFit, you can select the measurement module and the measurement protocol. We have selected the Affinity Suite module and speech mapping. It is also possible to change the maximum SPL. Check to see if your REM system supports this option too. To access the REMFit functionality, go to Tools and then select REMFit. A dialog box appears providing some useful information before starting REMFit. You can read it and confirm with OK to continue. You can also tick if this dialog box should not appear again in future sessions. The REMFit menu opens. REMFit is an easily streamlined process. As a first step, we must calibrate the REM system. Align the probe tubes with the reference microphone, as mentioned in the notes, and then run the calibration measurement. You can run the calibration for each side individually or for both sides at the same time. Today, we will select both and then start the calibration. If you are happy with the calibration measurement, you can proceed to the next step. The unaided measurement is not required for performing speech mapping. Therefore, we will proceed right to the next step, Aided Automatic. Aided Automatic REMFit measures the current instrument gain. It uses the International Speech Test Signal, ISTS, at different input levels. The default measurement is carried out with an input level of 65 dB SPL, but you can also select 50 or 80 dB. We will disable, for our demonstration, the 80 dB input, and we will measure 65 and 50 dB. You will see that each sequence consists of an initial calibration measurement, during which the Zarina hearing aids mute automatically. This corrects for acoustic leakage and ensures that the subsequent aided measurements are accurate. The level calibration is followed by the verification measurement of the initial gain. The gain is then automatically adjusted to match targets, followed by a verification measurement of the adjusted gain. Read the instructions given in the notes and prepare your equipment and client accordingly. We will click both to measure both sides.
Alors, adaptatie poderoso. En så when give pause på خودش رو في ازداد envelope من قبل شو جوش rapidity valverse. شكل عن محوين sollte كانت than the other. Pinning the box بردانه على Alors, adaptatie poderoso. En så when give pause på خودش رو في ازداد envelope من قبل شو جوش rapidity valverse. شكل عن محوين sollte كانت than the other. Pinning the box بردانه على feeling with war. La bis obliged and not poderoso. Alors, bitada tasdiqu poderoso. Entonces, when give pauze بخودش رو في ازداد envelope طاعت من غير لا شو جوش rapid والوحدة. شكت عن محوين sollte كانت than the other. Pinning the box بردون على خيرين war. Alors, bitada tasdiqu poderoso. Entonces, when give pauze بخودش رو في ازداد envelope طاعت من غير لا شو جوش rapid والوحدة. شكت عن محوين sollte كانت than the other. Pinning the box بردون على خيرين war. La bis oblige.
After having completed the aided automatic measurement, the following curves are displayed in the graph. The hearing loss and uncomfortable loudness level, the dotted lines representing the in situ targets for 50, 65 and 80 dB SPL inputs. The red, orange and blue-green curves show the verified LTAS, long-term aided speech spectrum, measurements with 50 dB and 65 dB. We can change the graph view between the right and left side to visualize other curves. For instance, we can add the initial measurement and disable the verified values. We can display the percentiles and the MPO. Clicking on the icon next to the information bar, we can also see the speech intelligibility index level, if your REM system supports this. In case you are not satisfied with the outcome of the automatic adjustment, you have the possibility to adjust the gain manually. You can mark the frequency bands and input levels you would like to modify on one or both sides and increase or decrease the gain. You will see the numbers changing in the table. After this, you can perform the aided manual measurement again.
Alors, bitada tasdiqu poderoso. Entonces, when give pauze بخودش رو في ازداد envelope طاعت من غير لا شو جوش rapid والوحدة. شكت عن محوين sollte كانت than the other. Pinning the box بردون على خيرين war. La bis. Alors, bitada tasdiqu poderoso. Entonces, when give pauze بخودش رو في ازداد envelope طاعت من غير لا شو جوش rapid والوحدة. شكت عن محوين sollte كانت than the other. Pinning the box بردون على خيرين war. La bis oblige then not.
If you would like to verify the MPO, then you can do this with the aided manual sequence. Disable the 50, 65 and 80 dB inputs, and then run the MPO measurement. In the graph between the right and left sides, you can make the previously measured levels of 50 and 65 dB visible. Confirm the adjustments made with REMFit by Apply REMFit or Discard All. Continue with Finish to go to the Amplification menu. If you would like to print out the REMFit results, select Print. Then Hearing Care Professional, then REMFit Speech Mapping Report. Before the report can be created, you must confirm the update of the latest changes. It is possible to print, share, or save the report. Closing the Print Report menu takes you back to the fitting. This concludes the webinar about REMFit with IMC2 speech mapping in OasisNXT 2019.2. We hope that you found it interesting. If you would like to learn more about the benefits of REMFit with speech mapping, please read our topics in amplification about speech mapping, the optimal first fit, which is published on the professional part of the Bernfon website.